Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
So yes people, it's a very rainy morning. Look at this. Look. Look.
Very bleaky.
Bleaky morning.
Yeah, my people, the rain up. Regardless of the rain up all, things still look pretty, you know. Look across the street, they have jelly, you know. Yeah, my people get up this morning and can't tell obviously the weather stay away. Want to throw down afraid, watch there. Yeah, a little squall up at top there. That's kind of too much sun shine out there and all these things, but crazy breeze. Windy. Something, yeah. Got that. If you remember, I'm telling you about the garden on the back here. See there? Sweet potato. I'm telling you about the something there, you know. Sweet potato they put in and all them something there. Banana tree come up on them something there. Rat. I'm telling you something now. That's something there named hot pepper. See them people, hot pepper. Remember them pepper tree I'm showing them from early out up so. See them there? Them pepper tree I'm telling them about, you know. Yeah, right beside the sweet potato. See it there? Nice in the garden back here. Look over there is very good for them something here, you know. That's the people. Crazy breeze are blowing and normal something going on so. See there?
Guys, I'm here. Let me show you what I'm doing. Editing and uploading as usual. See what he's up to. So, what do we have here? We've got pine and some papaya. What you don't call this papaya? What do you call it?
Papa.
Papa. He calls it papa. We call it papaya.
Let me be able, if I have to go to work or hustle, I will. Because I can do this. But you got a little reason why you got about some fritters something and them something there. So we have to run the side right here now. Saltfish. Fritters. See my thing there?
So talk to us, what have you got?
You know, I got one thing natural, I forget the real blame. So, onion my thing there, you know.
Onion?
Yeah, man. I mean time, you know. Natural time, you know. See there? No, I'm not going to thing there. We call it spring onion that. It's Kelly and that. Natural spice me I go. Yeah, I dash my pepper though. Natural thing. No additive, no preservative, nothing else away from that. This is my thing there. Saltfish Fritters, my friend.
Or stamp and go.
Stamp and go. So I get to the point there, right? I get to a point right now. That's what me are. I get to the point. So watch me now. That's what my name onion. That's what my name scallion. There's something named pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. I know it time. Time is the master. So see blame there. See them catfish, they call catfish, saltfish, you say. So it's a saltfish fritters. Where you say go again?
Stamp and go.
Stamp and go somewhere else. Over there. I go do everything. I go to the point. Watch me now. Not much, you know, because
you're not making too many.
No, I'm not making too many because I fix up everything that come earlier before I touch it, you know. But drop everything that in there, you know. Tell the peeps. Onion.
The white onions.
Yes, onion.
The scallion.
Scallion.
Or spring onions or green onions.
Yes.
Some.
Same thing I say about that something there.
Your hot pepper or your Scotch bonnet.
You have to do that, you know, because that's something different, you know.
You can't touch that.
You have to know you do that something there. So something there now, my babes. You have something there now.
Show us how you do it. So that all the stick part doesn't go
Yeah,
in.
when just get up the stick, we not want to stick in there.
Yeah.
So we just start with it. Get a smooth eat, you know. And then prayers, you get to a point. I do a mixture. Additional. This thing now.
You mix up all the dry ingredients. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to add water, you know. The whole time something in color. You know what thing go? Round the way I swing go. Have a look. Ready for them?
So you heat it up with oil.
Yeah, man. I'm ready for the thing, people. When I was on prayer, so the thing go? Yes. You run the ass finger, huh? Now give you one tap in it, see there? See everything go to people. Flat them out like that.
Alright. One.
Flat them out like that, repeat. I put one more and then pink piece, what is it? Four and now quarter top the piece.
Yeah.
Make it relax and go through.
Okay guys, they're not ready to turn yet, but I just wanted to show you how they're coming together. Yeah. Yeah.
What's that turn on my piece?
So next batch.
Yeah.
Okay, so just add into the ones over there.
That's it, now I'm going to make one.
Alright. And these are the ones
Let's take
that
out
have been done. Don't they look good, guys?
Yeah, I like golden brown.
This is the first batch that's done. The second batch is in there. But you know me, as soon as anything's done, I can't wait to cool down. So there's me trying to break off peas, but it's so hot, I almost got burnt. So I have to let my greediness, wait a bit. But I'm ready to try them right now. I have to wait.
Yeah, my people. Saltfish fritters ago. The finishing punch there.
There you go, guys.
Yeah.
Don't they look good?
Golden brown something there.
Yeah. The only thing missing is we should have had some paper towels underneath to drain off some of the. But we didn't have any. We haven't got any.
Run on. Something thing.
Run out, yeah.
Yes. What the people, that's everything there now.
Yes.
That you need.
That's what I need. I'm ready right now, but they're hot. But I'm ready right now.
So, man, I've done prayers. Give thanks for life. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Look up to the ads. Sign to that. Loving of the food. There we go. Another prayers.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.